अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। It may be that a bona fide guru, he mercifully, he teaches his all teachings to all his disciples. Same thing. But we know that all the disciples cannot take it same as he has told. They will take and realize according to their quality and advancement in bhakti. All cannot. Some can take it artificially. Some may take it sincerely, following in all way, externally and internally. You know, Madhavendra Puri, he was a high class of Mahabhagavat, always weeping, lamenting, and so much. Ay Deen Dayatranath, He Mathura, Kada Valukashe, Hridayam Tada Alokakar, Dait Brahma. He Dev, He Dai, He Bhai Kadam. Like this, always. I am never heartless. I could not call you. Oh Krishna, be merciful to me. Oh Mathura Nath especially. This slok uttered by Srimati Radhika herself, with deep meanings, always feeling so much separation, especially in his last days, especially those who have read Chaitanya Charitamrita, you can realize this. And he had two disciples, one Ramchandra Puri and second was Ishwar Puri. Disciples of same Madhavendra Puri. And he was lamenting so much, Madhavendra Puri, weeping so bitterly. Ishwar Puri used to serve him, making clear his stools and all things, and always giving consolation by the sloks of Bhagavad and all others, helping him to remind all these things. And he was very happy. But Ramchandra Puri came and he told Gurudev, why you are lamenting? You should not that you are Brahma. And Brahma should not lament. You should think that I am Aham Brahmasmi, Sarvam Kalitam Brahma. And hearing this, he became very furious. Oh, wicked person, nasty, atheist. I don't want to see your face. At once go away from here. I don't want to hear any word and don't want to see your face. And he quickly was broken away from there. And for Ishwar Puri he told, oh, the love and affection, all transcendental, love of Krishna and affection which are in gopis also must be fully manifest in your heart. Why it becomes so? Why it becomes so? We should try to know. This Puri, what? Ramchandra Puri. Oh, he used to know. He has a false ego that I am highest in tattva among all the disciples of my Gurudev. And I know he is all more than everything, and I am serving him more than anybody. And Ishwar Puripad, oh, I am very low class of Vaishnava. I cannot serve my Gurudev fully. Gurudev, be merciful to me and sprinkle your mercy that I can know your mood and serve as you wish. So humble. So, after that Mahaprabhu made his Guru to whom? Not to Bharati, Keshav Bharati. He was not Guru. He was ordinary, a base data. Base data means? Only not even sannyas mantra. No. Mahaprabhu told in his yes and took. So he is not Guru. He is only like sannyas data, vesh data. Or changing his dress of sannyas. But who is his Guru? Don't have any doubt. Ishwar Puripad, he accepted as his Guru. Mahaprabhu is himself Guru of the whole world. But in his Nar Leela, human pastimes, he accepted him. Like his Diksha Guru. And he has so much regard for him that he went to the native place where this Ishwar Puri has taken birth and took the dust of that place everywhere and kept something in his note. He has so much regard. So only false ego will not do that I am disciple. They should know the heart of their Gurudev, what he wanted. What was the mood of his Gurudev? Who was his Gurudev? Otherwise he will be cheated. He must be cheated.